But you know, it's coming to me. Stay with me, 'cause it's gonna kick you in the hillbilly ass.
The old man's gonna knock on the sky. Listen to the sound.
Good shot. Remove the sandbags, Boomhauer. It works! It works!
Oh, it's so beautiful up here.
Okay, when we release the second tether, Bill should gradually float 30 feet into the air as planned, or he will soar uncontrollably into the stratosphere.
Huh?
Cut the cord, Boomhauer!
Wait!
He's giving the signal. Stick out your chest so I can get a clean shot at your heart!
Man, you used that dang old escape rope, man.
I made it! I'm all right!
You're not doing it right!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Hey, man, better shoot that dang old balloon, man. Hey, man, no Bill's gone, man.
Huh.
Hello? Anyone? Anybody?
Santa?
No. Yes! Yes! If you get your parents, I will give you a toy. Hey!
Goodbye, Santa. I love you.
So I pulled that tooth I was telling you about.
Arlen, do you read me? Come in, Dale. Boomhauer.
Bill, is that you? You didn't say over. Over.
Dale! Thank God. I need water. I'm in a tree.
Be more specific. What town? What type of tree? Over.
I don't know. I fell asleep. Oh, wait. Here come a bunch of kids. Oh, thank God somebody came.
Hey, you. What are you doing up there? Did Eduardo send you?
No, see, the wind changed, and I'm just so dizzy.
So how come you're hanging from a tree? You a piñata?
Hey, Piñata, it's my birthday.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Quit it now.
Wow, Bill's new ballooning buddies sound like a hoot. I should have gone first.
You're darn.
And of course, remember, any day you get to fly is a good day.
Just let us deflower you.